Yes, friends. Next VSQ from Dhruva Entertainment and Video Classes. Friends, this is from Intermediate Second Year Geology from Breathing and Exchange of Gases. That is 1B, friends, Unit 1B. What is our question, friends? What happens to the respiratory processes in a man going to hill? What happens to the respiratory processes in a man is going to hill? Friends, if a man goes to a hill, what are the respiratory process? What happens to him in the respiratory process? You have to explain, friends. First, you have to know what happened. What is the oxygen content of the hilly areas? See, friends, when you goes up, when you move towards the hill, upper areas of the hill, the oxygen content decreases. So, friends, here you see, friends, as altitude increases, the oxygen level, the partial pressure of oxygen in the atmosphere decreases. Friends, as altitude increases, the oxygen level or partial pressure of oxygen decreases in the atmosphere. మీరు ఒక కొండపైకి ఎక్కుతున్నారు అనుకోండి ఫ్రెండ్స్, మీరు కొండపైకి పోతున్నా కొద్దీ అట్మాస్ఫియర్లో ఏమవుతుంది ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఆక్సిజన్ కాంటెంట్ తగ్గుతుంది. సో ఇఫ్ ఏ మ్యాన్ గోస్ అప్ హిల్, he gets less oxygen with each breath. So when you are going up, there is a deficiency of oxygen. So due to this, what happens, friends? If a man goes up hill, he gets less oxygen with each breath. If a man goes up hill, friends, he gets less oxygen with each breath. So we are getting less oxygen, friends. Then what about our respiratory process? What we have to do? See, friends, what happened? Due to this, what happened, friends? To get more oxygen, the respiratory rate increases in response to the decrease in the oxygen content of the blood. The respiratory rate increases. Why the respiratory rate is increased, friends? In response to the decrease in the oxygen content of the blood. When the oxygen content of the blood is decreased in our body, automatically our respiratory rate increases, friends. You know what is our respiratory rates? 12 to 16 times per minute. Okay? So if oxygen content of the body decreases, automatically our respiratory rate increases. The respiratory rate increases in response to the decrease in the oxygen content of the blood. First one, friends, you have to write respiratory rate increases. Come to second, friends, the heart rate increases to increase the supply of oxygen to the blood. See, friends, first one is what, friends? Respiratory rate increases. Second one, the heart rate increases to increase the supply of oxygen to blood. So here you have to write two words, friends. One is respiratory rate increases. Second one, heart rate increases. Okay, friends? If a man okay, friends, this is about what, friends? Our VSQ. Once again, see, friends, what happens to the respiratory processes in a man going to hill? Answer, friends, as altitude increases, the oxygen level or partial pressure of oxygen in the atmosphere decreases. You have to write as altitude increases, oxygen level decreases, friends. Due to this, what happens, friends? If a man goes uphill, he gets less oxygen with each breath. he gets less oxygen with each breath. So due to this, what happened, friends? The respiratory rate increases in response to the decrease in the oxygen content of the blood. Why the respiratory rate increases, friends? Due to decrease in the oxygen content of the blood. So here you have to write the respiratory rate increases. Second one, the heart rate increases to increase the supply of oxygen to the blood. The heart rate increases to increase the supply of oxygen to the blood. Okay, friends, this is about our question. What is question, friends? What happens to the respiratory process in a man going to hill? Okay, friends, thank you. Good day, friends.